Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another daily forex forecast video for you guys for the date 14th of April 2022. Now before I start today's video, if you have not joined my free Telegram group, you must join it right now because I share my live trades in advance with you guys here. Today I took a pound US dollar trade and I shared it with my free members. Today we had a loss as you can see I posted this trade and I flagged this trade as a risky trade and it turned out to be a losing one, and losing is the part of the game. Sometimes we can have losses. As you can see, the pound reversed completely and hit our stop loss as this was the abnormal bar. This was not a normal day for the pound, so we have to accept the losses and move on and find new opportunities. So if you have not joined my free Telegram group, you must join it right now. You will learn lots of things, how I manage the trade and how I close it and what do I look into a certain trade. I share all it with you guys. Before I start today's analysis video, I would like you to please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. And now let's start today's video by analyzing what we have for tomorrow market. We have lots of pairs to trade for tomorrow. Let's find best of the best pairs so that we can trade tomorrow. The first one is the USD in buy. As I told you in my previous video, it's trading around the resistance area and previous day bar is also not good, so I'll ignore this trade. The next is New Zealand dollar sell. As you can see, all the moving averages are pointing up and the trend in the New Zealand dollar is up, so I'll ignore this trade too. Next we have the pound yen. Pound yen looks great. The previous day bar is heavily blue and it has also taken out the resistance area, so I'll put this pair in my radar, and if I find anything in the New York session, I will consider a trade in it. So you can also trade pound yen for tomorrow's market. Let's analyze another one, Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen is trading at the resistance area and the previous day bar is also not good, so I'll ignore this trade. Next is pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand, as we can see, the overall trend is down. All the moving averages are pointing down, so I'll ignore this pair. We have to find best of the best pairs to trade, so I'll move and find another one. Let's see what we have in the CHF yen. The CHF yen, the overall trend is up and we are trading in the top of the trend, and if, as you can see, the previous day bar is also not good. It's a pin bar which is a reversal bar, so I'll ignore this pair also. The next is CAD yen. CAD yen looks okay, but if it breaks this area, this resistance area in the New York session and try to retest and create some pattern in the shorter time frame, I'll consider this pair too. I'll consider this pair too also to trade for tomorrow, so I'll put this pair in the radar too. So we have till now CAD yen and pound yen as a potential pair for tomorrow's market. Aussie New Zealand. Now as you can see, the Aussie New Zealand has broken with huge bar, broken towards the upside with huge bar, and we can also put this pair in our radar. I really like if Aussie New Zealand come and test this area, this resistance now becomes support, and if I find anything in the New York session, I will consider a trade in it also. The next is Euro Pound. Euro Pound is trading around this huge support area, so I'll ignore this pair too. New Zealand CHF. As you can see, the New Zealand CHF is also trending upward and all the moving averages are up, and also it's trading around the 200 moving averages, so I'll also ignore this pair. New Zealand CAD. Overall the trend is up, all the moving averages are pointing towards the upside, so I'll ignore this trade, and I really don't like this abnormal bar, so I'll ignore this trade. Next is gold. Gold, as I told you, it can make new highs and it has a consecutive 1 2 3 4 5 6 days in a row. Gold is trying to move up and it has broken this area. As you can see, this was the resistance area and now price is trading above it, so I do expect the gold should continue towards the upside, so I'll also put this pair in my radar. So if I find anything in the New York session, I will consider a trade in it also. Next is US30 sell. As right now the brokers are closed and the market is not updated here, so the previous day bar is blue, but my indicator is not updated, so there is no trade in it. The indicator will refresh once the markets are opened again, and we will not have this signal here, so it's an error right now. The last one is the silver XAGUSD. As I told you in my previous videos, like in the gold and also in the silver, that both of them are trending up, and silver also looks good. So I'll also put this pair in my radar for tomorrow's market session, as the price is trying to continue its trend and move and make new highs. So I'll consider a buy in the silver also in tomorrow's market session. We have pound yen, CAD yen, and Aussie New Zealand, and also gold and silver as a potential pair to trade for tomorrow. So do keep those pair in your radar, and if you find any pattern or something like that, you can trade yourself. And if I find anything, and if I will take any trade in my live account, I will post it in my Telegram group, so do join my Telegram group. And that's it for this video. Please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.